Hi, I'm Jay with Classic Kitchens. Today I wanted to show you our latest whole home remodel. Let me show you around. For this master bathroom, we are actually reconfiguring the space. We changed where the entry was to the space. We made a walk-in closet, made a different area for the shower and toilet. So for that, we had to relocate the toilet. It was right here. We made a water closet for it, which is a little more high-end to have a water closet versus having the toilet. As soon as you walk in the room, you see the toilet. So for that to happen, we had to cut out the concrete, start working on the plumbing. So that's what you see here. So we have the concrete opened up. We have the plumbing moved. You can see our new drain line for the toilet over there. And we have all of our drain line and vent pipes and all of our supply lines for the toilet stubbed out and for the shower all in and ready to go. And here we are in the guest bathroom, which we did the same thing. We have reconfiguration of the bathroom. So we're moving the toilet, same thing, got to cut out the concrete, dig out the dirt, and replumb the space. And welcome to the master bathroom. Let me start with the shower. I designed a steam shower. This is like a pseudo steam shower. So a real steam shower is built in a very similar way, except you have to have an extra layer of vapor barrier because the steam generator causes so much steam pressure inside the shower. This is more like a pseudo steam shower. So you just turn on the water and just by virtue of the hot water, it fills up with steam. We tile the ceiling and we do this transom panel here. A transom panel just means any kind of a small window at the top of a doorway. And then we did this, this panel here that goes all the way to the ceiling. So once you have this all in, you close this, you turn on the shower and it fills up with steam. The cold air doesn't come in, the steam doesn't come out. So it just naturally stays warmer. It's kind of nice, it's kind of like a steam shower on the cheap. You don't have to spend the 10 grand on the steam engine generator. And also those things have a lot of problems. Even the really high-end ones that we've used, we've still had callbacks, within a couple of years. So that's a bummer, when you do something. Like I said, we want our remodels to last 30 years. So when you have to go back after a couple of years and do something, it's a bummer. So this is a cool way to do it unless you really want that real hard steam pressure. We did 2 valves, one for the hand shower and one for the ceiling mounted shower head. I like to put things on separate valves like that. Number one, it increases how much volume of water you can put out. We're in California, so each one of these valves has a max rating of about 3.5 gallons. And then the hand shower is probably about 2, and the shower head's gonna be under 2, probably like 1.75 or something like that. If you just had them all in one valve and you split it, you're actually gonna get less than one of these valves puts out. So if you do 2, now, at least you have the maximum for each of the shower fixture. And you will notice a difference if you have the 2. And on this side of the shower, we have the seat, and then we did some custom niches here. The shower design is really nice. It's almost like a wood porcelain tile. And then I did like a hexagon. Let's see if you can see this here real close. Yeah, here we go, if you get close enough. Hexagon shower floor. And then I matched it on the ceiling with a hexagon shower ceiling. And then trimmed it out with the wood trim. For the vanity area, we did a single sink because what was more important to them is to have counter space, and this is a tight bathroom, so we wanted to give them as much counter space as possible. So we just went with 1 sink versus 2, and then we gave them some little cupboards here. We went with the same little wood pattern like in the shower, and then custom mirror, and they provided this light fixture here. For the countertop, we went with a quartz. Aesthetically, it was the color that we wanted, plus having the quartz that you don't have to seal, a little bit easier to maintain. I like a mirror on the back side of a closet door. So that's kind of a nice way to have a mirror in your bathroom without taking up any floor space, is just putting it on one of the doors. We actually had quite a bit of framing in this bathroom as well. The entrance to the bathroom was actually to your left, and this was a wall where you're looking through right now. And then it snaked around. It was like a closet that was kind of like a hallway closet that you walked into the bathroom. So what we did is we enclosed that area, added this door here, moved the door over, so open up a door where you're at right now. And then the toilet was actually next to the tub. So I wanted the toilet, you know, it was important to me to have the toilet in its own room, I think, for master bathrooms, if you have the space or you can cheat it in somehow to have a water closet. So that's what we did. So we framed in this little room here, put the toilet in there, and now you can close the door and do your business. And last for the master bathroom is the floor. We found these hexagon tiles. They are, I believe, an 8x8 hexagon with kind of a Carrara marble look to them, and kind of exactly the style we were looking for. So took me a while to source it out. Had some help with my friends at Dow Tile. You know who you are. Appreciate all the help. So again, we moved over the door. The door used to be right here. Moved it over to here, and then put on these soft close pocket doors. So this soft close, and I did the white lammy on this one, and then soft close open as well. And finally, we have the guest bathroom, or the kids' bathroom in this case, or the boys' bathroom in this case. They have two boys. We did a tub shower combination, so they still have a tub if they need to. It's nice to have at least one tub in the house. You never know, even for yourself or later on, if you go to sell the house, you know, pets, small children. So you always want to keep one tub in the house. Anyways, long story. And so we kept a tub shower. We did brick on the wall here. We also did two fixtures on here. Now this one we did a transfer valve. So this is what I was telling you about. So this is the very regular valve. This is what provides the water pressure. And then this changes it from one fixture to the other by turning it. So we have the hand shower and we have the regular shower head. We also have this really cool shower enclosure here. Now this is it's like a exposed rail slider. Exposed wheels, it looks cool, it works cool. It's all very cool, what I'm trying to say. So let's see if I can get in this tub here. Full-size adult. Can I fit? Oh yeah, easy. Oh, this is a nice, yeah, this is a nice tub. Probably 20 inches tall, which I would recommend unless you have a hard time stepping over something. But a 19 and a half, that's probably 19 and a half or 20 inch tall tub. You can see it comes up to like my knees, but you can see when I sit in it, it's not like those 14 inch tall tubs, which would be like down here. So this one's nice. You could fill it up probably to almost right below my chest. So that'd be kind of nice. And then we did some niches on the other side. And niches are very important to me. Oh, and I also like to hide them. See that? So when you walk in the bathroom, this is when you walk in the bathroom here. You just see all the nice stuff. You don't see any of the products until you come all the way around to the tub and you see the products. And then we got a cabinet above the toilet here. I like those too. It's just more extra storage, And then close this door here, and we have the cabinetry. So we have lower cabinets there and the banquet drawers in the middle. I also did another countertop cabinet on this one. Then over here next to the sinks, we have just a linen cabinet. So this is really nice for just extra storage, towels, everything you need for a bathroom. It's a very cool floor that we picked out for this bathroom as well. It's nice contrast with all the white. We have the white cabinets, we have the white brick in the shower, the white subway tile. So we wanted to do something that contrasted that in a really good way. And it actually looks like some type of marble when you look at it up close. It's like black, but it also has like kind of grays in it. And then we did like a gray grout, so kind of to look like cement. You have grout that looks like cement. It kind of looks like traditional, kind of old world style. That's how they used to do it because they didn't have colored thin set or cement. So they just grouted it in with whatever the color of the cement was. So gray was the color. That's all you had. that wraps up our whole home remodel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. What do they call that? I'm losing my train of thought here. What is that thing called? The transfer valve. We have a seat here in the corner. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, a little bit. I'll show you that here in a minute. And then did we put we got something in here, don't we? Oh no, we didn't do that. Where is that? Oh no, it's not. Don't even have that on this job. Never mind. And then I matched that on the ceiling with the hexagon ceiling. Oh, okay. So, you know, like you can see us right now. So if you're getting ready, sorry, I just kicked the camera. This tub is actually big enough where an adult can sit down in it. Let's see, can I sit down in it? I wonder. I'll do that in a minute. We're really, I guess, I'm trying not to say powerful because that sounds lame, but you know what I mean? Like a really oh God, I keep going right back to powerful, I don't know why. But just a really hard contrast between, you know, all the white. So stark, that's what I'm looking for. Stark contrast.